What's up everybody? Welcome back here to BTerry Customs. I'm super excited to have you guys back here on the channel, and thanks for still tuning in after all these years. This video is gonna be an informational video about BTerry Customs and what's been happening in my personal life as well. So let's just dive right into it. There might be a new intro. I'm not sure if I got around to making it yet, but here we go. So basically over the last couple of years, I went to college. I spent 6 months in Tampa Bay, Florida last year, and then I actually took a gap year and I'll be a junior in the fall. So I've just been working and working. I work at Walmart and I also still work at the country club like you guys probably know from previous videos. So I'm back in front of the camera because Gabe continuously kept telling me to start making some content, start making some videos again. I'm all for giving the people what they want, so I'm back right here getting it done, and hopefully a lot of other people are gonna support as well. Now I have a couple ideas for what the channel is gonna be moving forward, and it's a lot of great stuff. I'm super excited to show it to you guys here as we get along the line, but most importantly, I wanna hear your guys' feedback. I'm gonna try to put some polls in the top right-hand corner so you guys can vote, but I do want your guys' feedback, so comment down below regarding what we should do with the channel going forward. Now, I already have a couple ideas myself. The first one being is what every male between the ages of 18 and 24 has definitely thought about while being in college, and that's gonna be starting a podcast. Now, I think I have a pretty good platform here to do it, so we're gonna go ahead and get it started. The toughest thing is actually just picking out a name and getting the guys all together on a Sunday to film a couple episodes. We're thinking it's gonna be primarily sports related, a lot of golf, a lot of baseball, a lot of basketball, probably a lot of hockey. So that's basically what you can expect there. But if you have some specific topics that you guys wanna see us debate, drop those down below. We do have quite a few that we debate on a daily basis, so I'm sure we can just put those in the podcast and they're gonna be great. I would consider my group of friends are some pretty funny guys, and hopefully you think so too, and it's gonna be pretty enjoyable for you guys to watch. We're gonna start out here on YouTube, giving it like a test run, and then we're gonna transition over to Apple Music and Spotify once I get that all figured out. But YouTube's definitely my main home for a lot of my stuff, and it's really familiar to me, even with the changes lately. So I think to get the podcast up and running on here, it shouldn't take too long at all. If you guys have some good topics and you wanna be on the podcast, especially if you're local, if you're still one of my fans watching that are local to me in the area, I would love to have you guys on the podcast sometime. So shoot me a text, shoot me a message, DM on Instagram, whatever you want it to be, and we can definitely make that happen. You can bring some topics, we'll have some topics for you, and we can all sit there and go talk about these, debate these for hours and hours and hours, and hope people wanna watch you on YouTube as well. Now, another thing, aside from working that I've been doing, is playing a little bit of golf, but that's about it. So my love for golf's always been there. I know I've made some golf videos in the past, but I have some super exciting golf videos coming up that we're gonna be filming, some matches, some challenges, some club challenges. Man, it's gonna be a great time. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe because it's looking like a pretty bright future up ahead. At the end of this video, I wanted to thank you guys for still being here, still watching it. If you have anything you wanna see on the channel, whether it be golf related, sports related, podcast related, drop that in the comments down below, and I'm gonna be replying to everybody. So please do say something, say hello, say glad you're back, whatever you might be. Say get off YouTube if you really wanna say that. It doesn't really bother me at all. Leave your comments down below. If you're new here, by some chance this is your first video, welcome to BTerry Customs, and please do subscribe. And I'd really appreciate if you guys like this video. Let's get the metrics boosted back up because they've been kind of low lately just because I haven't been uploading. Now the last part of this video, I really wanted to include a compilation of what I've been doing over the last 2-3 years, college, moving to Florida, and then coming back up here and working. I have a lot of fun clips, not all in landscape orientation, so might hurt your eyes a little bit to watch this, especially on YouTube. But we're gonna jump right into the montage. Hopefully you guys have a great day, and this is another BTerry Customs. I'm out.
You should see the things that they wishing on me. Hey, they wishing. Yeah. We don't speak, baby, what you say? Out the jet to a different state. Know the weed if you wanna stay. Don't delay, not delay. New girl look like summer rain. Big ol' booty with a pretty face. I can hit the lotto if I roll the dice. I don't think you gotta tell me twice. Don't got other girls up on the side, but I wouldn't put that on my life. I got cash behind that picture painted. That's cause money is a frame of mind. God's plan. God's plan, God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't, hey. 585 is my home code, hey. We go through customs, want the buffalo. Tell the great time